Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today I want to give you a tip of something you can do that can help to make your neck healthier. We know that all the uses of devices and bad habits and poor posture, never mind jarring from accidents and injuries, these things can disturb the proper curve in our neck. We want to have a beautiful forward curve in the neck. So there's an exercise that you can do every night before you go to bed that can help to restore that curve and remold the spine. And it's simply using a towel. So you're going to take a towel and you're going to fold it in a very specific way where you're going to fold it in on either side and then you're going to roll that towel up tight so that it actually has a little bit of softness in the middle and it's firm on each side. Then once you have that towel already made up, then you're going to, first you're going to start by twisting your neck from side to side about 20 times back and forth, and that's going to make the discs more malleable so that they are ready to be molded. The discs are in between the vertebrae, and they need to remold in order to support the proper structure with a forward curve. Once you've done your twisting back and forth about 20 times, then you're going to lie down on your back, and you're going to put that rolled up towel right underneath your neck, and that's going to reinforce that proper curve that we want to see. And then it's going to remold that curve. So you want to lie on that towel for 20 minutes, and that's going to allow the discs to harden up in the proper shape that's going to be supporting that proper curve. Once you've done that, then you can just go right to sleep. But remember, you don't want to then sit up and read your book or read your device with your head bent forward. Nope. You want to go right to sleep with that beautiful forward curve so that you have more healing that happens during your sleep. I hope that you found that this was helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family, and I look forward to sharing more again with you soon.